If you are receiving the error code 0xc0000005 on your PC, then by watching this video, your issue will be solved. I have collected all possible working methods from the entire internet, and I have discussed every method in this video. If your PC is in front of you, follow the steps with me. If not, then take a notebook and write everything down. First, let's understand why this error appears. This error occurs when a program tries to access a memory location that Windows has not allowed. When that happens, Windows blocks the program and shows this error. Now let's fix it step by step. Method 1. Press Windows plus S. Search Windows Security and open it. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan Options. Select Full Scan. Click Scan Now. This will check your entire system for harmful files that may be causing the issue. Method 2. Press Windows plus R. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. Open the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Open the Data Execution Prevention tab. Select Turn on DEP for all programs except those I select. Click Add and choose the .exe file that is creating the error. Click OK, then Apply, then OK again. Restart your PC. Method 3. Press Windows plus R. Type regedit and press Enter. Click File, then Export. Save a backup with any name. This keeps your registry safe before any changes. Method 4. Turn off your PC. Remove the power cable. If you have a laptop with a removable battery, remove the battery. Open the back cover. Remove the RAM. Gently clean the RAM with a dry cloth. Reinsert the RAM and turn on your PC. If the issue continues, try another RAM stick. Faulty RAM is a common cause of this error. Method 5. Press Windows plus X. Open Device Manager. Expand all categories. Right-click each device and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. This updates missing or outdated drivers. Method 6. Press the Start button. Search System Restore. Open it and click Next. Select a previous restore point. Click Finish. Your system will roll back to a stable condition. Method 7. Press Windows plus S. Type CMD, Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Restart your computer. This repairs corrupted system files. Method 8. Press Windows plus S. Search CMD and run it as administrator. Type the command diskm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Restart your PC. This fixes deeper system corruption. Method 9. Press Windows plus S. Type Update History and open it. Scroll down and click Uninstall Updates. A list of recent updates will appear. Select the most recent update. Click Uninstall. Restart your PC. Sometimes a faulty update causes this error. Method 10. Press Windows plus S. Type msconfig and open System Configuration. Open the Boot tab. Click Advanced Options. If maximum memory is checked, uncheck it. Click OK, then Apply, then OK again. Restart your computer. This ensures that your system uses the full RAM. Method 11. Right-click your antivirus icon in the taskbar. Click Disable Protection or Turn Off Protection. Select Disable until restart. Run your application again. If the program works, add it to your antivirus whitelist or exceptions list. Method 12. Press Windows plus R. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Open the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Select your Windows drive. Choose Custom Size. Set initial size to 4096 megabytes. Set maximum size to 8192 megabytes. Click Set, then OK. Restart your PC. Method 13. Right-click the problematic.exe file. Click Properties. Open the Security tab. Click Edit. select your username, check Full Control. Click Apply and OK. This allows full permission for the app to access required files. Method 14. Press Windows plus S. Type CMD and run it as administrator. Type the command check disk C/F/R. Press Enter. Type Y and press Enter again. Restart your PC. The system will scan and repair hard drive issues. Method 15. Press Windows plus R and type msconfig. Open the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Open the Startup tab. Click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup applications. Restart your computer. Now run your program again. This helps you find out if a background service was causing the problem. These were the 15 working methods that can fix the error code 0xc0000005. If you are still watching this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And do comment and let me know which method worked for you.